Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Dirt Path Exploration. Today, we traveled to Eden Prairie, Minnesota to take a hike around the Anderson Lakes Goldenrod Trail. The hike is approximately 1.75 miles and took us about 45 minutes to complete. While we hiked this in winter, the middle of a very, very mild January to be exact, if you hiked in a more seasonable weather, you would most likely have to contend with bugs and sun, requiring sunscreen and bug spray. The initial section of the trail from the parking lot is tarred, but after a short while it turns to dirt, and during the wet months it can be quite muddy, so ensure you're prepared for that potential. There were a significant amount of squirrels during the hike. At one point there were easily 15 of them, jetting around a large old tree in the woods, near one of the picnic tables on the side of the trail. I paused to watch because although squirrels are pretty common, it's still pretty interesting to watch a significant amount of them jetting around and doing acrobatics up in a tree. The trail's location is amongst a large area of wetlands and lakes. The path is wide, so at times there will be significant sunlight peering through the canopy. This does give some decent views out over the wetlands at a few areas of the trail, and there are also a few side paths that lead to wonderful views of the nearby southwest Anderson Lake on the middle third of the trail. In addition, there's a cross path, Black Lock Trail, that links the trail and can be used to shorten the hike to about 1.2 miles or to make it longer by hiking it in a figure-8 fashion. My favorite part of the trail is the wetlands at the final section of it. It's a nice open view of a wetland, and although there are a few small trees between the trail, when we hiked there was a large, sizable hive hanging from one of the branches. Being the middle of January, I was a little less skittish upon seeing the hive than I might otherwise have been. So it was a very cool sight. The wetland view should offer some pretty decent opportunity to see wetland birds like herons in more seasonable weather. And I always enjoy watching the wind blow through cattails. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Also, don't forget to let us know your favorite trails in your local area.